What's going on, friends? Welcome back. Thank you so much as always for stopping by. It is great to see you today. We are on a hike today. Shocker, I know. We are on the other side of the Columbia River on the Washington side, about 80 miles, 90 miles east of Portland. We are at Falls Creek Falls, and it is a pretty unbelievable hike. We are almost to the top, almost to the falls. And I gotta be honest, I was not ready for the incline on this hike. We thought it was going to be pretty flat most of the way, but turns out all of the elevation kind of came in one specific spot. Oh man, I just came around a little bit of a corner. These falls, are you kidding me? We have some pretty incredible hikes here in the Columbia River Gorge, but this one actually might be my favorite so far. It's probably the most work for the most payoff of any we've done so far. Again, this is Falls Creek Falls. It's so good. I can't emphasize enough. If you come to the Portland area and you have a car, there is one caveat that the gates to the parking area at the trailhead are closed from December 1st to April 1st. So if you come then, you have to park much farther down the road, and this hike becomes very long. If you come outside of that small window, you can park near the trailhead, and parking is free, and it's about a 4-mile round trip, maybe a little bit more depending on if you take any of the little side offshoots and everything. But yeah, this hike is pretty unbelievable. If you're in the rainy season, if you're after April, before probably July, you might want to make sure you've either got 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, because the driving path to get in here is pretty rough. So luckily, you know, we got all-wheel drive, so that's pretty nice. But yeah, this is unbelievable. I know I say it every time, but one of the best, one of my favorite things about a place to live is just access to the outdoors, and we're so lucky to have that here, and it's just here for us to enjoy it, to preserve it, and to protect it for the people who come after us. So if you're ever in the area, I highly recommend, please check out Falls Creek Falls if you can get here. If not, there are a plethora of other waterfalls and hikes to check out within the greater Portland, Vancouver area. But yeah. Okay, so we stopped on the way down the trail to look at this tree that we saw on the way up the trail. It's hard to really gauge how large this thing is. What would you say? We really can't tell because it's just look.
It came all over, like, this whole thing is probably trail. Yeah. Like from here on out.
What's going on, friends? Welcome back. Thank you so much as always. Let's start that over.